Welcome to my YouTube channel Webcode Camp. In this tutorial, I'm gonna showing to you how to run JS code in the in your Windows 10. Okay, then let's first open your folder directory, then open the CMD and you will write code CMD code dot. Then it will be open Windows 10, Windows Visual Code Studio. Then I'm gonna showing to you how to write a code in your Visual Code Studio. I'll write a code console.log, then inverted comma, then welcome to my YouTube channel Webcode Camp. Finished the semicolon, uh, finished line, then I'm gonna showing to you uh, uh, okay. Now I'll write a command like that node, then folder name, like the folder directory name, test.js. Then it will be showing to you welcome to my channel Webcode Camp. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.